guys, welcome back to my channel. जादुई जैसलमेर ओल्ड टाउन की एक जादुई प्रॉपर्टी एंड उसका ये एक टूर वीडियो. Hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, so we've reached our property in Jaisalmer. This property is the first gate home fusion, which is right next to the fort in Jaisalmer, and it's a beautiful property. So I definitely want to give you guys a tour, and also I want to quickly show you the room, and then we will see what is lined up for us in Jaisalmer. The property has 10 rooms in total, including a couple of really spacious and beautifully done up suites. That's our room. It's a huge spacious room for 3 people, although I think the storage is a little less. That's the 3rd bed here, and the room was really nice and spacious. The beds were cozy. The storage definitely was slightly lesser, but we didn't have much to complain because we were there only for a night, and the hospitality, the food, the view from the terrace restaurant was absolutely breathtaking. The property also has a beautiful little cozy cafe where they serve you complimentary coffee throughout the day if you're staying as guest in the property. And I was so overwhelmed with the amazing warm hospitality of this property that I asked them if I could show a little more rooms in the property to my viewers, and they were more than happy to accommodate that, because I really want you guys to have an idea of this beautiful property with such amazing people who are running this boutique property. And yes, so we are going to quickly take a tour of some other room in this property. 3 suites.
2 are with private.
Private? Oh.
It has a pantry as well.
Oh wow. So this room was the suite, and they have, I think, 3 of these suites. 2 have private balconies. One of them actually faces the fort.
Oh, the closet space is nice.
Wow. There's a bathtub.
Do you have the view of the castle from here? No, no. And where does this go? Oh. Oh, wow. This is very nice. The other one has a fort view. Oh yeah, that's the fort. So guys, the room we stayed in, me and 2 of my friends, was deluxe. This is a premium room in the property, and I highly recommend this property because they have the most brilliant hospitality. The staff is the most warm, and if you come here, you have to sit on the rooftop and enjoy their amazing pizza and the gorgeous view of a part of the castle. And yes, to enjoy this property, I highly recommend. And the restaurant is open for even non-residents, so even if you're not staying here, you should come and totally enjoy the view and the food.